Hello, hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that's here for the first time, go ahead and do me a favor right now. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. I'm super excited. Hope everybody had a great and wonderful holiday. So let's talk about this. How to make money online. You hear that phrase all the time, okay? But how do you really make money online? There is a method to this, okay? People think just join an opportunity, throw some money at it, and it's just going to work for me. It doesn't work that way, okay? So we want to cover a few things, a few points I want to make, and then I'm going to show you an opportunity that I definitely think you should take a look at, and I'm going to put the link below for you to go check it out. So hang in with me and let's get into it. All right, I'm going to be following some notes that I have right here on my smartphone. So just go along with me here. So how to make money online. A few components that's needed. Number one, mindset, okay? You're going to have to believe, guys, first of all, in yourself, and you have to believe in the product or the system. Whatever you're promoting, you've got to believe in that, okay? If you don't believe it, nobody else will, okay? And you've got to, so the second thing is then you're going to select a product, okay? Most products that I deal with are digital products. They're high on demand. You don't have to store any products. Everything is accessible. All people need is a smartphone, Wi-Fi connection, or a laptop, okay? Health products, anything that's online is much better. Systems and tools, okay? I don't have to worry about shipping anything out, okay? So that's why I love the digital products. And then, of course, you need a system, okay? I like automation, okay? And you'll find that most people that you join out here, they have automation in place to help them through this. I'm telling you what I know, my experience, okay? You need automation. Systems and tools will do all the heavy lifting for you. It'll follow up with your prospects and send out emails on your behalf. So you want to automate this as well. And then, of course, you need traffic. Okay, number one, mindset you need, and number four, you need traffic. Okay, you need eyeballs looking at your offer. There's no ifs and buts about it. That's got to be done. Now, the thing about traffic is there's free methods that you can use and there's paid methods that you can use. Now, the deal is, and we're going to go over both, but the deal is to make this work with traffic, either you're going to have to put in the time or you're going to have to pay the money. So either you're going to need time or money for traffic. Time meaning you're going to do the work yourself. You're going to post ads, okay? You're going to do some social media. You're putting the time in. Or you're going to pay, spend money for a company to do the marketing for you. And then you got to be consistent with either one that you select, okay? Those are the key points. Not to mention, you're going to need some training, okay? So this particular program that I'm getting ready to present to you covers all that, all in one, okay? Tells you how to set up everything, your mindset. You got a product, you got a system, and it gives you the traffic resources. So everything is under one umbrella. Now you have to apply this. That's the deal, that people don't want to apply, any training, or they don't want to learn the training. They want to throw money at it. Okay, and that's fine, but you got to be consistent with the money that you throw at it. So if you're going to do paid advertising, you can't do it one or two times and say, hey, well, I paid for traffic, it didn't work. Okay? Okay, and you have to be consistent. The other thing is paid traffic does not guarantee you a sale. Okay? No one can guarantee you a sale just because you also paid for traffic. The vendor will tell you that on their website. Okay? Because they don't know what program you're promoting. They don't know who's going to sign up. However, they do know that they will get the targeted people. They'll send the visitors to you. They'll get you the clicks, okay? They'll send the people over, but whether the people pull out their wallet or not, they can't guarantee it, Okay, so there's no guarantee of that, but the possibility is there if you apply over and over and over the traffic strategy, whether it's free or paid. Now, let's take a look at a program that offers all this stuff, okay? Everything that I just mentioned, okay? And then you can decide what you want to do. But the main point of this is I want you guys to see that it doesn't matter what you join. You still need, number one, the belief. Number four, you're going to need traffic, okay? Because you can join something today and you realize, oh, hey, that didn't work. It's not that it didn't work, because I guarantee you 95%, I guarantee 95% of the programs you join, they've already been proven to work. That's why you got started. You saw something. Even if the person showed you proof, there's other people that have made money with that opportunity. So it's not the program, right? So you have to take a look and stand back and say, wait a minute, there's something I'm missing. I'm not putting enough time in, or I'm not spending enough money to get people to look at my opportunity. Okay, so let's take a look at this program. All right, so IPS. Now I'm going to put the link below, but you can go check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. I say that, of course, yes, I have some high ticket programs, but this is lower ticket. Okay, yes, I can offer you the high ticket as well, but for the people that go, hey, well, I don't really have 500 plus to get in a home-based business that's going to show me how to make money online, but 325 fits my budget. Because literally you can join for $325 and get everything you need to be successful in the opportunity if you apply what you're being taught here. So let's cover what I mentioned at first, right? So what I covered at first was mindset. Does this program offer mindset? Yes. There it is right there, winning mindset. Now you may say, well, that's for the pro level, because of course I'm at the pro level, but let's go take a look at the lower levels too. Okay, so take a look. The influencer brand is only $50 right here, winning mindset. So they give everybody, doesn't matter which product you purchase, you still get mindset training. Okay, and then of course I mentioned select the product. That is the product. The influencer brand marketing, internet automation secrets, and six-figure blueprint. These are the products, 3 products. Okay, so we have our product. Now, they also recommend system and an automation. Okay, so how to automate this all. Yes, that is included. Now, the automation comes with, let's look at which one it comes with. You're going to have to get the pro level to get the automation. Okay, which is where you want to be anyway. Let's just be honest. If you're here to make money online, you want to maximize and make the most you can, even on a budget. And the price point with this is awesome, $325. The $25 is for your website. Doesn't matter which product you purchase, you have to pay the $25. And this is a one-time payment. There's no monthly fees. So they show you automation in the pro level. Okay, so the pro level has a lot of advantages. All the training is there. Go check it out at thecopypastemethod.com. Okay, so we cover that, the system. So how to automate it. And let's go back to the back office. Let me show you. See right here, create your automated sales funnel. Now they recommend this system, Online Sales Pro. I personally use the Conversion Pros, and I can share that with you. I have my share codes I can share with you, and you can duplicate the pages I've created and the email follow-up series I've already created, because you want to automate this. Why? Because it makes your life simpler. Okay, because now the system can follow up with your people via email and send them email reminders about the opportunity. Okay, so then the other thing I said was traffic. Is traffic included? Yes. If you look here, how to purchase paid traffic, that is a part of the system. Okay, now let's see if that's a part, which product it's a part of. We know it's a part of my pro level. Let's take a look. Yep, that's the traffic. Okay, so you have the option. Again, you see it says optional because they've given you all the free methods. You got Facebook, Instagram, you know, all the social media platforms, but they include traffic. So this covers all 4, as well as number 5, training. Okay, this is training. Okay, so that's what you're getting here, training on how to promote using free marketing strategies. All right, so to maximize, okay, your income potential, the pro level would be the way you want to go, because you're going to make $300 per sale for everybody that signs up with that pro level training. Okay, and all the lower levels are included. So if by chance someone goes to your website and decide, well, hey, I don't have 325 today, but I do have 175, and they sign up for the elite, you make the 150. Or if they decide they want the starter level for 50, then you make 50. Okay, they sign up at $75, you make 50 of that. Okay, because the 25 goes to the company to set up the website, and you get paid any way you want. You can list 3 options of how you want to receive your payments. So here you have a business in a box. This is what people are missing, people. How do I market it? It's very easy to sign up for a program, but if you don't have the training, you're not going to make it. The training and the traffic. Okay, you've got to have traffic, and you got to be consistent. Again, what do you need? Belief, and you need traffic consistently. Either you're going to use your time to promote by using these strategies, or you're going to spend the money, the paid advertising right here, purchase paid traffic. Either you're going to do that, or you're going to do the time, put the time in to be consistent with it. But it's all consistency, okay, far as traffic is concerned. Very critical, okay, because I know everybody wants to join the next best thing, because let me tell you, every week there's something new that jumps out in an online opportunity. So it's not the program. Joining and jumping from one program to program is not going to fix the problem. Get something that's going to help you. And this is perfect for the people that go, well, hey, I don't really have a lot of money. Okay, I have more time than I have money. Perfect. Get this, get the free strategies and post for free. You get the ads and you get the images. Well, where should I post? That's included as well. Well, what should I say if a person asks me this question? We have the 6-figure closing script. Just go there, answer them back. The question is there. The answer is in that script. Okay? Or you can do Craigslist. Okay? So everything is here, guys. It's just a matter of you taking action, because that's what it's going to take to get the results. You've got to be consistent. But again, let's recap. We need mindset. We need to select a product. Okay, which here's 3 products. Pick one. System, automation. I'm going to show you the system that I use. And you're going to need traffic. That's included in here, in your training, in your membership area. It tells you where you can go get traffic. I will also give you some of my resources that I use. Okay, so let's talk about some traffic here. So free methods would be social media. People use webinars, Zoom meetings, classified websites. I have 100 free classified websites that I will share with people that come in at the pro level. This is for the pros. Okay, I'll share that with you. Paid advertising. Well, what kind of paid advertising can I get? Solo ads, Google ads, text message marketing, Craigslist, postcard marketing. Those type of things are paid methods that do work if you're consistent. It's all going to be determined by consistency. If you want the results you want, you have to keep going and keep going over and over and over, over and over and over. Again, you're going to use time or you're going to use money. Either way, doesn't matter what you join. Okay, so let me show you a system that I use to automate all this. It's called the Conversion Pros. Take a look. This is one of the pages I created. Go check it out, thecopypastemethod.com. If you want this page or any page I've created, just join me in the Conversion Pros. I'll put the link below and I'll give you my share codes. But this is the system you want to get. Go to the link. Go get started with this. Not to mention you have a product of value. Okay, so it's easy just to join different programs, but what's the value in it? This right here gives you the value, because one thing about it, once you get this stuff down pat, it doesn't matter what you join, you'll be able to make commissions, because now you understand the flow of things. Okay, you know how it works. Okay, because if you noticed, every program that I've shown you guys, I'm a product of the product. I just don't do reviews on any programs. I actually own the products. I paid for the advertising, and I promote the products, and I've shown you proof of payments received. Okay, because I've learned the strategy. This one right here, okay, really did it, because now you guys can get access to the strategies as well. Okay, so definitely go take a look at this. For everybody to join the pro level, as I stated, you're going to get those 100 websites that I have that give you access to free classified ads that you can post. That's in addition to what you get here, but this is for my pro level people that I'm talking to right now. And then of course, if you join at the pro level, I'm going to run a solo ad for you guys. I've got some great solo vendors that I've been using, that I've added some additional ones to my tool belt. And I am actually running traffic myself, okay, because I do them both. I spend the time and I spend the money on all my opportunities, okay, because I understand that free is great, and then I understand that paid is great as well. Okay, so I automate this again with the Conversion Pros, and I'll put the link for that below if you're interested in any of those pages that I have to automate this thing. Okay, so guys, with that being said, thank you so much for checking out this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. Go ahead and pick your product level, get started. Let me work with you on a marketing plan. I offer one-on-one ongoing support, okay, not just for you to sign up, but throughout the process. Okay, so as long as you're in the game and you want to continue to promote the business, I'm here to answer any questions. I'm here to guide you in the right direction. All right, so look forward to working with you. Go check it out, thecopypastemethod.com. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Be safe out there.